Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Pulse. Kevin Sear is a Canadian-American artist known for his fascination with everyday vehicles, especially those that are old, worn out, and often overlooked. He paints and builds projects that focus on mobility, imperfection, and function. But one of his most striking works is the Camper Tricycle, a custom-built trike with a tiny camper mounted on top. Sear's work often blurs the line between art, social commentary, and practical design. His inspiration comes from urban exploration, van life culture, and the nomadic spirit. The camper tricycle, in particular, challenges conventional housing and travel by offering a fully independent, human-powered alternative to modern RVs and tiny homes. At first glance, the camper tricycle looks like something straight out of a futuristic survival movie. It's built on a three-wheeled bicycle frame, with a custom-made camper mounted on top. The camper itself is compact but functional, designed to maximize space while remaining light enough to be pedaled. The tricycle features a solid metal frame with a wooden camper shell attached. The camper is small, but contains just enough space for one person to sleep, store essentials, and even sit inside. It has tiny windows, a small door, and just enough room to accommodate the basics of living on the road. Unlike traditional RVs or tiny homes, the camper tricycle is entirely pedal-powered. That means no fuel, no electricity, just good old-fashioned human energy. This makes it an eco-friendly alternative to van life, allowing users to travel with minimal impact on the environment. It's not just a quirky piece of art. It's a statement. In a world where cities are becoming overcrowded and housing prices are skyrocketing, the camper tricycle presents an ultra-minimalist, off-grid lifestyle that challenges traditional living. It asks an important question: how much space do we really need to live? Sear's camper tricycle isn't just about mobility. It's a critique of modern urban life. Housing shortages, rising rent prices, and economic instability have made it harder for people to afford traditional homes. This project highlights alternative ways to think about shelter, pushing the limits of what's possible when combining art and function. There's also a survivalist aspect to the camper tricycle. Imagine being able to travel anywhere, with your home always attached, relying only on your own strength to get around. While it's not a solution for everyone, it challenges us to rethink our dependency on cars, fuel, and excessive living spaces. Could the camper tricycle actually work as a real-world solution for homelessness, eco-friendly travel, or minimalist living? Well, it depends. While it's a fascinating experiment in mobility and shelter, it does have limitations. First, pedaling a camper isn't easy. The added weight makes it slower than a regular bike, and traveling long distances would require serious endurance. Plus, weather conditions could be a major challenge. There's little insulation, and it's not built for extreme climates. However, as an emergency shelter or a personal travel project, it does have potential. In cities where homelessness is a growing issue, modified versions of this tricycle could serve as portable, low-cost shelters. Similarly, for people who love cycling and adventure, it's a unique way to explore without relying on fuel or expensive gear. The camper tricycle is just one example of a larger movement toward alternative living. In recent years, we've seen a rise in tiny homes, van life, and off-grid living as people seek more freedom and sustainability. Concepts like this push the boundaries of what's possible in a world where space and resources are becoming more limited. While not everyone will be trading their apartments for a pedal-powered camper anytime soon, projects like this encourage innovation in sustainable design and housing solutions. Maybe in the future, we'll see lightweight, solar-powered versions of this concept that make it even more practical for everyday use. So, what do you think? Would you ever try living in a camper tricycle? Is this the future of minimalistic travel, or just an artistic experiment? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive into creative and alternative living solutions, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more unique content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.